Yo, YouTubers, what's up, everyone? In this video, I'm here to tell y'all how I schedule my videos. So, how I make up YouTube video ideas. So here's the behind the scenes of how I schedule my videos, like how I come up with video ideas. So, if y'all were wondering how I schedule my video, how I come up with video ideas, here's the answer. So I go to my Google Drive. Um, okay. Wait, I'm waiting for it to load. Man, I can't talk today. Okay, but now it's done loading. Wait, hold on. Now I go to new. And then I go to Google Docs. Okay. I also X out my drive because I don't ever go back to my drive after I'm done doing an untitled document. But anyway, I just type in. Wait, I want to make this bigger because I can't see when it's in 11 font. 11 or higher. Okay. I always put it at font 30 because that way I can see it. So what I write to come up with my video ideas, I put upcoming video ideas, and then I make a list of like. Oh, and I also do this into a document so I can know what the document, what this is. Okay, and I put upcoming video ideas. Okay, anyway. So I put it in a number list, see, and I put in top. This is just an example. Top 15. Christian. Top 15 favorite Christian. Wait, whoops, because I love Christian music, Christian songs. Okay, I also put the date of when I'm going to do these videos. Like for example, I put like we're in February, so I'll put 2 slash 20. And then dash 19. See? I put it when it will be when I will make it. Okay? So number 2 will be, these are all examples. I'm really not gonna put them on these dates. Okay? So anyway, let's see, what other, so I do YouTube tips and tricks on my videos. I would put how to properly upload. Hey, that's my upcoming video. Hint, hint. Upload videos to YouTube. So when y'all are a YouTuber, that's what I'm going to do, and I also do like this would be October 4th, 19. That's when my birthday is. Okay, that's really not what I'm going to do on that day. Okay. I also do I did a top 10 right there. I did a YouTube tips and tricks right there. I also do morning and night routines. So Christian music rocks morning slash night routine. And for instance, I'm going to put this as May 31st, 19. Okay. I've already made some routine videos. I also do. Let's see. I also do. What else do I do? Um. I also do. Let's see. I also do people and blog videos. Let's see. Oh, I also do year in reviews. Year in review. Year in review. Year in review. No, wait. No, I do these once a year. Okay, I do reviews. Reviews. Okay. I've done only one review. Okay. So reviews. Okay, that will be scheduled on like, like, oh no, not two. Okay, that will be scheduled in, I don't know what month number 4 is. So that it will be scheduled in April. In April, on April 31st, 3000. I'll be dead by then. April 31st, 3000. Okay? So this is what I do. This is what I do. This is the behind the scenes of how I come up with video ideas. Okay? So that's it for this video. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe for daily uploads like top 10s, how to, YouTube tips and tricks, night routines, reviews, thoughts and impressions. If you are interested in all of those, then consider subscribing. So yeah, consider subscribing for more daily uploads for like what I do. Okay, so um, so that's what I do. Okay, so like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with a friend and tell them how I come up with video ideas. Okay, I'm really not going to do number 4 ever because I'm never not going to do that year because I'll be dead by then. I don't even know what year I'll die. Okay, so you never know. Only God knows when you'll die. Just pray and hope that you don't die. Just pray and believe in Him, and yeah. So I love Christian music videos. I love Christian songs. Okay, and worship songs. So, anyway, like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Okay, bye.